I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare turbo flutter versus blow-off valves. We'll explore what each term means and their roles in a turbocharged engine. Turbo flutter is the sound of air backing up against the compressor, while a blow-off valve is a device designed to release this pressure. Understanding their functions is crucial for maintaining your engine's health and performance. Turbo flutter, often heard as a chatter or whoosh, occurs when the throttle closes rapidly, causing compressed air to surge back into the turbocharger. This creates immense stress on the compressor wheel and its bearings, potentially leading to premature wear or even failure over time. It's essentially the turbo fighting against itself, which is not ideal for longevity. A blow-off valve, or BOV, is engineered to prevent this harmful pressure surge. When you lift off the throttle, the BOV opens, venting excess boost pressure either to the atmosphere or back into the intake system. This protects the turbo's delicate components, allowing it to spool up more efficiently for your next acceleration. It's a vital component for any high-performance turbocharged setup. While turbo flutter might sound cool to some, it's actually detrimental to your engine's health, causing unnecessary wear and tear. A properly functioning blow-off valve, on the other hand, actively protects your turbocharger by safely releasing pressure. For optimal performance and longevity, installing a quality BOV is always the superior choice. It ensures your turbo operates smoothly and efficiently for many thousands of miles.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.